In this video, I'll show you how to pay with cash on the Bolt app. There are two main options to do this. First, open the Bolt app and navigate to the Home tab, then tap the three horizontal lines at the top left corner. From the menu, select Payment. Here, you can choose between personal or work profiles and add a payment method. If you want to pay with cash indirectly, you can top up your Bolt balance by tapping Add Money and using any available method supported in your country. This balance can then be used to pay for rides. If you prefer to pay with physical cash, there's another option. You can go to a local bank or ATM, deposit your cash, and top up your Bolt balance. Alternatively, a quicker method is to purchase a Bolt promo code using cash. To do this, click on Promotions in the left side menu and enter the promo code you've purchased. Promo codes can often be bought from nearby retail locations that sell Bolt vouchers. This is a convenient way to use physical money with the Bolt app. I hope this video helps you. Please leave a like and consider subscribing.